What if Earth's water could surprise you in ways you've never imagined?
Imagine a lake that boils, a river that vanishes, a sea that's become a desert, and a lake so pink it looks like strawberry milkshake. Earth's water isn't just blue, it's wild and weird. Let's dive into the planet's strangest water bodies, where water defies expectations and creates otherworldly landscapes. From boiling rivers to lakes that petrify, these places challenge everything we think we know about water. Join as we travel from the Amazon to Antarctica, uncovering the science and legends behind Earth's most bizarre aquatic wonders. Prepare to see water as you've never seen it before. Deep in the Peruvian Amazon, the Shane Timpishka, boiled by the sun, flows at up to 93 degrees Celsius, hot enough to cook anything that falls in. This isn't a hot spring, but a true river, shrouded in mist and the smell of sulfur, far from any volcano. Scientists believe a unique geothermal system heats the water, connecting the river to the Earth's molten core. For locals, it's sacred. For wildlife, it's deadly. Creatures that fall in are cooked instantly. The boiling river is a rare window into the planet's raw, untamed power. In Tanzania, Lake Natron's blood-red waters are as deadly as they are beautiful, with a pH near 10.5, almost as caustic as ammonia. Animals that die in its waters are calcified, preserved as eerie stone statues along the shore. Yet life thrives. Salt-loving microbes paint the lake red, and millions of flamingos nest safely on its caustic islands. Lake Natron is a paradox, lethal to most, but a sanctuary for the world's largest flamingo colony. Here, life and death are locked in a haunting embrace. On Australia's Research archipelago, Lake Hillier stuns with its permanent bubblegum pink hue. The color comes from Dunaliella salina algae and halobacteria, which produce pigments to survive the salty water. Unlike other pink lakes, Hillier's color never fades, even in a bottle. In this harsh environment, microbes have turned survival into a spectacle of color. Lake Hillier is a testament to life's adaptability and nature's flair for the surreal. Trinidad's Pitch Lake is the world's largest natural asphalt deposit, a bubbling black lake you can walk on, if you dare. Formed by tectonic forces pushing oil to the surface, it's a slow-moving, sticky vortex that preserves anything it swallows. Despite its toxic look, Pitch Lake teems with unique microbes that thrive in the hot, oxygen-poor tar. These extremophiles may even hint at how life could exist on other planets. For centuries, its asphalt has paved roads worldwide, linking ancient geology to modern life. Pitch Lake is both a scientific marvel and a practical resource. In Lithuania's Samogitia, a river vanishes into sinkholes, leaving its bed dry before reappearing downstream. This disappearing act is classic karst topography. Rainwater dissolves limestone, creating underground channels. The river's journey is a reminder of the hidden worlds beneath our feet. It's a landscape where water is both seen and unseen, always flowing, always mysterious. Nature's magic trick, performed in plain sight. In Minnesota, the Brule River splits. One fork tumbles down a waterfall, the other vanishes into the Devil's Kettle, a deep pothole in the rock. For years, scientists tried to trace where the water goes. Dyes ping-pong balls. Even GPS trackers disappeared without a trace. The latest theory: the water rejoins the river just downstream, hidden by turbulence. The Devil's Kettle is a geological illusion, a natural riddle that's captivated imaginations for generations. Sometimes the answer is right beneath the surface. Off Mauritius, an aerial view reveals what looks like a massive underwater waterfall plunging into the ocean's depths. The illusion is created by sand and silt tumbling off a shallow shelf into deeper water, not by water itself. This slow-motion sandfall, visible only from above, is a masterpiece of geology and perspective. It's a reminder that not everything is as it seems. Sometimes nature's greatest wonders are tricks of the eye. The underwater waterfall is a breathtaking illusion, crafted by currents and color. Atop Costa Rica's Poas volcano, Laguna Caliente is a turquoise lake of pure acid. Its pH can drop below 0. Fed by volcanic gases, the lake boils and steams, releasing toxic fumes and erupting without warning. No life survives here. It's a sterile, alien landscape shaped by raw chemistry. Visiting is risky. The air itself can burn your lungs and eyes. Laguna Caliente is a living laboratory of Earth's most extreme forces. The Aral Sea in Central Asia was once the world's 4th largest lake. Now, it's a desert littered with stranded ships. Soviet irrigation projects diverted its rivers, shrinking the sea to a fraction of its size and devastating local communities. The exposed seabed, now the Aral Desert, is toxic and fuels dust storms that threaten health for miles around. The Aral Sea's disappearance is a stark warning about the consequences of mismanaging water. It's a haunting monument to human impact on the environment. In Palau's jellyfish lake, millions of golden jellyfish drift in a predator-free paradise. Isolated for millennia, these jellyfish have lost their sting, making swimming among them a surreal, gentle experience. They migrate daily, following the sun to feed the algae living inside them. A perfect symbiosis. Jellyfish Lake is a living showcase of evolution's quiet wonders. Here, nature's oddities become unforgettable encounters. Let's speed through a few more aquatic marvels. Antarctica's Don Juan Pond is the saltiest water on Earth, so salty it never freezes, even at minus 50 degrees Celsius. The Dead Sea lets you float effortlessly, its salt content nearly 10 times that of the ocean. Belize's Great Blue Hole is a giant marine sinkhole, a perfect circle visible from space. Yellowstone's geysers and hot springs like Old Faithful are reminders of the fiery power beneath our feet. Each of these places pushes the boundaries of what water can do. Our planet's liquid wonders are as limitless as our curiosity. From boiling rivers to pink lakes, we've explored Earth's most extreme and mysterious waters. These places reveal the power of chemistry, biology, and geology, and the resilience of life. Some, like the Aral Sea, warn us. Others, like Jellyfish Lake, inspire awe. Earth's waters are more than life-givers. They're keepers of secrets and sources of wonder. Which one amazed you most? Let us know, and subscribe for more earth-shaking facts. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through Earth's most extraordinary waters. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of our planet.